What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a nice, beautiful, sunny day, and as you can clearly see, we got the cars out. Before we go any farther, all right, y'all, so as you can see, Philip is out. Philip is also known as Dover's Fox. The first coyote swap done. Then, of course, we got my car out here, ready to get back on the track here, hopefully very soon. And, guys, the wild strawberry car is coming along famously. Pretty well done. Pretty well done. Looking good. Alex, you know, always working on something. But yeah, so beautiful day. And for all of you fans of the Chevrolet truck, the LS swap, engine's out. The wheezing asthmatic 305 is no longer taking up residence here, and soon the 6-liter LS will be in it. So there's that.
Yeah, out with the 5.0 in with the 6.0.
Exactly. A little extra liter won't hurt, right? All right, guys, as you can see, Lee's car is on the ground, plumbed and rocking. What we've got to do now is do a heater core in it. We're gonna go ahead and replace the heater core in it, and so we need to go ahead and do that first so we can finish plumbing up everything under the hood, finish up the wiring. Couple of quick notes: we got the PCM mounted. I like how this is mounted too. That's a factory mount that Alex had. Alex, where'd that PCM mount come from? Like a truck or something, wasn't it? That PCM mount?
No, it's out of 15, 18 F-150.
Oh, okay. So that mount's actually a factory PCM mount out of an 18 F-150, and that actually looked really good right there. And then, of course, we got the intercooler pump right here, and just lots and lots of little details. But stay tuned. This will be firing soon. All right, y'all, so I had to take you back here and just kind of give you a little bit of an update on the graveyard we got going back here. It continues to grow, and I think most of it is because people watch videos and they say, hey, I've got a junk car I need to get rid of. But had a super good pickup the other day by way of this white GT. And yeah. Okay, here's the deal, guys, with this car. 500 bucks. It's a original GT. It's got all the fuel lines. It's got the 8.8 under it. Interior's pretty good. I mean, not a bad car. Basically, what the guy did was pull the engine and trans out, and everything's there. All the harnesses are still there. That is a super good score. You know, you got your V8 spindles and K-member, all of that. And, of course, you got your good interior part. The ground effects aren't horrible, paintable. But again, tilt column right there. I need that for my car because we're gonna swap that up because I want a tilt column. And I mean, not horrible. Not horrible. Very doable. But super good score there. And of course, you know, got all the other parts cars here, and everybody always asks, well, you got this part, you got that part. Guys, we have these out here to help us complete, you know, some of the other builds that we've got out here. You know, cars like this are good for brakes and stuff like that, spindles. But yeah, I mean, that's what all these are for, is for parts to keep all the builds rocking and rolling. And eventually, yes, I know a lot of people have been asking about the 68 Ford F100 truck. It is right there. It is good to go. Hopefully going to be doing some stuff on it soon. But the thing with this car, and it kind of had my wheels turning a little bit, is because I really would like to get that LTD on the road with a 5.0 and a 5-speed. Either that or the wagon. I don't know if you can see the LTD over there. But I would, you know, you could take this car, use the parts, and wire up a, you know, an EFI 5.0 T5, you know, fuel injected, obviously, and have yourself a really cool car if you had like a good body with clean interior. Because I mean, that one's pretty bad. I know it doesn't look horrible in the video, but the whole side's been caved in and had horrible body work done, and it's yeah, it would take a lot. All right, so you're probably wondering, what in the world is Alex doing to Lee's car? Well, Lee's car is getting very close to being done, as you saw earlier, and Alex is kind of a master with the polish and cut and buff and getting some of the overspray off. As you can see, he's pretty damn good. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna look freaking amazing. Of course, you got Dover hard at work here. About to do some heater core action.
Yeah.
And the stereos always make it fun, don't they?
Extra.
All right, Alex, how'd it come out?
Let's turn it up.
Getting there. Gonna cut it all out. Won't be long. This whole car will be shining. Gonna be kind of sad to see this one go.
Some lights going back into the bumper.
It'll be fine.
All right, we got a dash out, boys. See how this looks.
That's why you water.
Lee, if you're watching this, I promise it'll all go back together. No heart attacks.
What, for the module? Mm-hmm. You like it?
Why do they give you that? Oh, that's dash.
Man.
I like mine. I eat it. Mine actually went up.
All right. So dash is out. We'll put the heater core in there, and be one step closer. Alright guys, everybody has been wondering what in the world are we doing with Cory's car. Well, Cory wanted to go a little faster, so
Volkswagen over
yeah, just a little faster. So last minute we swapped it over to Gen 2 Mustang cams, billet oil pump gears, and of course same Boss 302 intake. So Cory's car is going to be quite a bit faster than the original setup, which was Gen 1, you know, stock truck cams, all that. You know, we promised you some bumper shots, so that's what we got to do. So yes, Cory's car is going to be faster, and the two steps all wired up. It's ready to go. So this thing is going to be leaving, pop, 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 ready to go. She's ready to fire, isn't it, Alex? Pretty close. Very close. So, okay, yeah, cat is out of the bag. Cory's car is going to be even faster. Can't wait to see this thing on the track, and Cory's chomping at the bit as well. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to come out to the shop today, but won't be long. This thing will be pointed at the sky. Pump's running. See anything? There it is, boys. Won't be long.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I feel it. All you gotta do is the suspension.
She's about ready.
You wanna send him the video?
No,
He just had to watch the
Stay
channel.
tuned to the channel.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah, it's all coolants and everything in it.
Is he good to go? All right, guys. So heater core is in. Success. Looking good. Cory's car is alive. And man, lots of stuff going on. All kinds of stuff going on. But that's the that was the big secret, guys. Yeah, Cory's car did get some upgrades, so you'll see that track video coming up very soon. And as I've said a million times, this will be alive here shortly. And then we're going to be moving on to Jeremy's Viper Blue car, and going to do some more work on the Leadfoot Gray 93, owned by none other than George himself. So keep it tuned right here, guys. Lots and lots and lots of upgrades coming. Hoping, fingers crossed, we'll be at the track this weekend if the rain stays away. It's been raining a lot here. It's been really hot, humid, rainy, so it hasn't been conducive to track conditions, but I did get my helmet in and I got another mount, so the videos will be fantastic and hopefully we'll go faster. So that is what is up. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I lost my train of thought. See you next time.